photographer Jones. Today we're going to talk about arc welding, or we'll talk about stick welding. Stick welding is pretty easy. Alright, so you got a stick. You have like a core on the inside and you have flux on the outside. Okay. This is your main lead. This is what you plug it into. You got these little grooves right here. Make sure it's actually on the groove itself. Don't actually try to get it between them or anything. This welding machine, this is an AC machine. So you got a couple of different types of rods. Actually, you got multiple types of rods. But you got to be careful when you get your rods. You can get some that are AC and DC. If you put a DC rod on this machine, you'll start it, but you won't worry about it. It won't actually create the weld. This machine here, the amperage is all depending on the thickness of the metal you're working on. Pretty standard size thickness, so I usually run 90. If you're not sure, if you got a scrap piece of metal, take a scrap piece of metal, turn it to 90 and weld it. You start burning holes immediately. You got your amperage set way too high. You start burning holes. Drop your amperage down a little bit. These machines real simple, off and on. Alright, you flip it on, it's good to go. You got a grounding table here, a grounding table that you're working on. If you don't have it grounded properly, you got your hand on the table of your welding, you're going to get popped. It's not going to feel good. And it will happen. With the rod, when you're welding, when you strike it up, when you first start it, you got to kind of drag it, and then you'll bring it up, and you'll create a puddle, and I like to do W's like that to create the weld to go down it. A lot of people actually try to weld like this, but you got to keep in mind, this is like a point and shoot scenario. Wherever this rod's aiming at, that's where it's going. So if you're trying to weld two pieces of metal together, you got your rod like that, you ain't doing nothing. You're shooting all the heat that way, you're not penetrating the metal, you're not doing nothing. You just break it off with a pair of pliers and you're done. Sometimes the rod's going to get stuck, and you start trying to get it off and everything else. When that happens, your rod's stuck under, release it. Take the clamp off, let it sit, turn the machine off, throw it down, break it off, and do it again. It's real simple. Alright, so I'm going to do a weld real quick, show what it looks like. I am not the best at starting these things, sometimes it takes me a little bit to start them. You'll find that a rod that's already been started is a lot easier to start. Hopefully, I still fight with it. I'm not a professional welder at all. I just, working on farms, just kind of learn how to fix stuff. Alright, see how I'm stuck? Just release it. I don't even know why I'm trying to start on a piece of metal that's angled. Again, I am not a professional welder by any means. Pretty much that's it. Make sure you turn the welder off when you throw that thing down. Start arcing, start crap out of it. My wheels are not pretty by any stretch of the imagination. I actually went a little quick on this. Flag off. Like I said, it's not pretty, but it will hold two pieces of metal together. It's deep enough, I know it's penetrating the metal. That's really about it. So, I'm trying to think of anything else. Like I said, yeah, covered ground cables. If you have one, I don't see one around here. clamp the metal when you're holding it. Instead of having to clamp it down on something, and that way it'll hold the thing. Gas clamp, C clamp, whatever you can find. Other than that, thanks for watching. Have a great day. Don't shock yourself.